Hey everybody, it's the next day. It's day 2 in Goa. Again, I just woke up. So it's like 10 or 11 a.m. right now. I don't know, I just didn't feel like waking up that early. And I'm gonna try to go late today because I'm just gonna try to attend some selected events. Hold on, I'll actually check it right now. So I have this guide with me and they have all the events written here. So I'll just check out which event we have today. You know what, I'll go around 4 or 5 p.m. something, and till then I'll just edit these vlogs, do some work, eat something nice. Yeah, I'm gonna chill a bit today. For breakfast, I should actually call it brunch because it's too late for breakfast right now. I ordered some bacon and I ordered some instant Maggie. So I'm gonna cook the Maggie. It's called double masala Maggie by the way, which is perfect. So I'm gonna eat some Maggie and bacon for breakfast. Delicious. Thank you. Okay, I just got my Maggie. I kept it down there on the floor because my bacon is all on the way as well. It's close by. But till then, I'll show you what I got yesterday from Motoverse. So I got this. Actually, did so many jugaad to like fit stuff into my bag. But yeah, I got this new t-shirt. I got 3 t-shirts actually. This is another one. Yeah, in Nirvana t-shirt. And I have, oh, hold on. And I have another similar t-shirt which says Gojira on the back. And this one. I don't know if you guys saw that, but hopefully you did. So 3 t-shirts. I also got 2 mugs instead of 1. Hold on. I think I was supposed to get only 1 mug, but I actually got 2 mugs from Motoverse. 2 mugs gonna come in handy. I also ordered some Appy Fizz last night, but I didn't drink it because I was too sleepy. But I wanted to drink it, so I didn't drink it. So right now I'm gonna use this cup to drink some Appy Fizz. What else did I get? Yeah, I got a Motoverse t-shirt. I haven't unpacked this yet. Hold on, I'm getting a call. Thank you. Got my bacon. Let's take my Maggie as well and start cooking. Super hungry. Alright, so I finally got my breakfast, some bacon, Maggie and some Appy Fizz. So I'm just gonna eat it and chill for a bit. So gonna watch some Breaking Bad while eating. Yeah. Around 4:45, I think there is Royal Enfield fashion show, and I'm interested in that, so I'm gonna go there. Might get to see a few nice bikes. So yeah, right, I'm finally ready. It is 4:13 p.m. right now. I need to reach Motoverse around 4:45. That's when the fashion show begins, I think. Hold on, I'm gonna check it again. Yeah, 4:45 till 5. That's it. 15 minutes. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, some music and stuff. I'll go there and eat something as well. I'll try something new. Yeah, let's just go already. Actually gonna get some coffee as well. I was actually gonna make some coffee actually, but and I think I'll just go there and buy a coffee or something. Gonna take my camera as well. It's fully charged today, by the way. I don't know why I'm keeping it on there, but I charged it completely. So let's just go. Okay, ready, got my band as well. Yeah,
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
I'm finally here. Third racing. That dirt race was kind of sick. It was very competitive. One guy even fell, but he, I don't know, started driving again. So I just bought something, headlight straps from Trip Machine. I have it in my hand right now. 425 rupees. Great deal, I think. I thought it would go around 1,200 to 1,500 or something, but 425 seems great. Yeah, new mod to my GT would be amazing.
The next station is Shibuya.
Okay, I think that was a Flying Flea Scrambler. It looked pretty nice. It had a digital panel on its tank. I don't know why, but the design actually looked really cool. I liked it. I would like to own one, to be honest. Beef kebab. It's actually really good. I also got this. A blue cooler. Aryan. Yeah, I love your bike.
Thanks.
I actually saw it on Instagram reel, and I saw all the mods that you have done, like 860 big bore kit. I actually own a Royal Enfield myself, a GT650.
Oh, great.
So I'm
You sit on the bike first.
Okay.
Give me that. Left.
So I actually wanted to ask you some questions.
First you lift.
Whatever.
You lift the bike.
Yeah.
Take the stand and try to lean in any side and try to lift it.
So lightweight. This is all carbon fiber, right?
It's just a cowl.
Yeah.
Engine, exhaust, so many other things are done to make it reduce like squat.
and carbon. This is amazing.
Oh, thank you, bro.
It's actually very lightweight. Can I turn it off? If you don't.
Yeah. But not too much of rev.
No.
Hold it, no acceleration.
Yeah. Can I turn it on again?
Yeah.
This is 860 by 6, right? So I wanted to ask you questions about the big bore kit. Do you like have any issues with it for long term and all?
See, changing a big bore kit.
Yeah.
It's like you're playing a dynamics of your bike, okay?
Yeah.
It's not gonna be a everyday ride,
Yeah.
but highway, it's gonna, you will never miss the fun.
Yeah.
You give it the fun, whatever you needed.
Yeah.
But in cities, that's the game change. Overheating issues, some other things will happen. When any bike gets overheated,
Yeah.
it needs to cool. It's a air-cooled engine, so you need to do a lot of things. So that is the thing.
Okay.
If you have an alternate bike, but you wanna keep it, I would say go for it. It's gonna be here every day, then
Okay. So like, will I get any engine issues or anything?
yeah, of course. Like if you are, it's like any bike. It's not kilometer basis. It's always a Harley basis. The horse will be reduced. Since I'm built a 865, I mean how you maintain and how it goes.
Yeah.
I don't take it on the inside seat, only the highways. In that way, it is really good.
Okay.
I don't have any issues. So far, I haven't any issues.
Yeah.
Maybe mine, it's small things might come.
Have you tuned your motorcycle?
Yeah, it's a stage 3 fully blown.
Which one?
Stage 3 fully blown.
Stage 3. Okay.
Fully blown.
Yeah.
The max out.
This is all full system, right?
Yes.
Yeah. What about the air filter?
Air filter is from BMC I have installed, so that's why the carbon fiber is from RLC Carbon.
Okay.
The engine is from NMW.
Yeah.
Okay. The spare parts what I sourced it through them. Air filter is from BMC.
Yeah.
There is a lubricant is there. It's an Italian brand. That is a Pachilo lubricants what I'm using. I'm
Yeah.
a solo rider always, so that is there. My blood group and Spirit of the Past Interceptor. Twins, so that is something very heartful and very connective line for me. This
Yeah.
entire bike was built not for just showcase, memory of my dad.
Yeah.
So I lost my dad, so in memory, because this is the last ride I had with him.
Yeah.
So just keeping him in the memories, I built this much.
That's great.
Keep it unique. That's the thing.
Yeah. What about the spark plugs?
Yeah, spark plugs I am using. I mean, right now it's just running on the stock. Just
Yeah.
now we changed it. Before that, I had the triple point iridium spark plug.
Okay.
So when you have that, you might gain a 1 bhp.
Yeah.
So that is the reason I am using iridium spark plug.
Okay.
Now I just turned on because the spark plug is done.
Yeah.
For time being, I just put the RE.
Yeah.
Can run on the original tech also.
Okay. I have actually modified my bike as well. Like I have installed SS Motocore full system exhaust.
Okay.
I have installed BMC air filter,
Okay.
and I've also installed Iridium spark plug kit. Now I'm planning to do some tuning on it. Which one would you recommend?
So before iridium spark plug you have changed. Have you changed the spark cables?
Yeah.
Have you changed the ignition coil?
Ignition coil, no.
That is where most of the people don't understand the things. Changing a iridium spark plug, changing the cable doesn't give you the actual power output.
Yeah.
those cable and those spark plugs are meant for the raising ignition coils. Nothing. Ignition coil is nothing. But from the where the spark generates, that we call it a rectifier, regulator, something.
Yeah.
That is the thing. So basically, that is the one which gives the current to the spark.
Yeah.
That thing, if you change, you produce a massive current. To pass that current only, you need that particular wiring cable.
Okay.
And the holder and the spark plug. Then only you will get the actual gate.
Yeah.
Without that, you can't get it. It's all market gimmicks, I would say. Because I have done all those testing.
Yeah.
And that's what it happened.
Yeah.
So you change the ignition coil, of course you will see a minute difference. Maybe some can feel it.
Yeah.
If not, that graph will show on the map. In that, I would say go for a stock ECU reflash. If
Okay.
you have a good ECU tuner, he can do it according to your needs.
Yeah.
There is no piggyback in this bike. It's just a stock ECU reflash according to my needs and all those things.
Yeah.
That's it.
So which ignition coil should I get?
There are plenty of in the market.
Okay.
You can go with anyone,
Okay.
which is affordable for you.
Yeah.
But make sure that don't go for too much of replicas or duplicate ones.
Yeah.
That's a only solution.
Yeah.
You have a Chinese brand also, you have Japanese, you have other brands also.
Yeah.
But get the actual,
Okay.
the OG one. Whatever
Got
it is, it gives you.
Yeah. And I was actually thinking about getting a Powertronic ECU with Fuel X.
Fuel X.
What do you think about that?
I don't want to be a bias on that. I don't have an opinion on it.
Okay.
I have so much I've done.
Yeah.
I'm still running with the stock ECU, which is like revamped.
Okay.
That will give you the good this thing for your stock bikes.
Okay.
Not like a tune. Tune, I would suggest, because I have seen the massive output where you can play with the stock ECU.
Yeah.
Those are all piggybacks. If you see the major brands, like major tuners, they don't use piggybacks.
Yeah.
But they might have a fuel, what to say, there will be a fuel model and will be there where it manages the fuel and other stuff. That you can use it.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah. I love your bike.
Thanks, bro.
I thought you were the perfect person for me to ask questions to regarding anything tuning related.
Any doubt, you can reach me on GRX India on Instagram. So that's my page. Any doubt, you can reach me on. I can help you.
Definitely. Thank you. Nice. It was nice meeting you.
Same here, same.
Yeah. Amazing bike again.
Thanks, bro.
Love it. 865cc bike. Amazing. I just got a iced latte. I can't speak, but they're playing Linkin Park. What the hell am I doing here? Gotta run. My favorite band. They're playing Linkin Park, dude. Anyways, I just met a crazy guy with a crazy bike. He had an Interceptor with big bore kit, which basically means his 650cc Interceptor was actually 865cc Interceptor. He had done a lot of crazy mods. I interviewed him, and yeah, you'll see. But right now I gotta go to this concert, man. They're playing Linkin Park. Come on. Okay. I don't know what happened, but they stopped playing Linkin Park. That's sad. I missed it. No, that's really sad. This is a concert by Pro Bros. I don't know who they are, but yeah, they're playing some cool music, I guess.
Say what?
Alright, it's like 9:45 p.m. right now, and the concert is still going on, but it's almost done. So I thought I'll leave early. It was fun. Yeah, Diplo was great, and Pro Bros as well. Amazing concert. I also bought this thing. These are called reflector straps. I'll put these on. And they look kind of cool, and they're gonna have some practical use as well. So why not? I got these for just 300 rupees. Can you believe that? And I don't know, like the products here are have like a lot of discount in Motoverse, so which is great. I also got that trip machine headlight cross band thing. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I'm just heading back to my bike, and I'll head back to my Airbnb. I actually have very low fuel right now, and I don't know how far a petrol pump is, so that's a bit challenging. But I think my bike will last for another 25-30 kilometers or something, or even more, who knows. But yeah, that's a challenge that I have to conquer right now. But whatever, man, I'll see you later. Nice exhaust. Nice exhaust.
Thank you.
I have the same one.
The
2x2 fat cans.
Nice.
Yeah.
Don't see too many of these.
Yeah. It's actually really tempting to like not use DB killers,
Yeah.
but we have to behave. Which brakes are those, by the way? Which brakes are those?
This is
Yeah.
an RCB master cylinder.
Okay. How is it?
I like it a lot. I
Okay.
mean, I only got it done 10 days ago.
Yeah.
Definitely worth it.
Nice. Have you changed the clutch as well?
That is the, I mean, same as yours really. This one originally didn't come with it, but I got the clutch change. But
Okay.
yeah, I upgraded the clutch change as well because I have the S&S cam,
Yeah.
and apart from that, I have upgraded the brakes. So
Okay.
they are also report.
Yeah. Nice. Have you noticed any increase in performance?
I have, but not as much as I was hoping for. So that's why I'm taking it to Race Dynamics like next week.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm in Delhi and there are no dyno tuners in Delhi.
Yeah.
So this was the only option.
Okay. I've also like installed Iridium spark plug kit and a new air filter last month.
Right.
Yeah. And I'm also planning.
No power tonic?
I'm actually planning. I was gonna talk to you about that.
Yeah, you should, yeah, definitely. For
Yeah.
an air filter and a full system, you definitely need one. This is
Yeah.
a full system.
Yeah.
Then you should get a power tonic. But
Yeah.
only if you can get it tuned.
Okay.
So if you are just going to be running just the base tune, you probably won't see as much difference. Like I've been running that tune that Race Dynamics only provided
Yeah.
for a year. And like it's fine, it's not the greatest thing. So I'm
Yeah.
hoping that you're running the bike on the dyno and getting a custom tune would
Yeah.
fix the difference.
I was planning to get Fuelux Pro and Powertronic both.
I mean, if you're getting power tonic, I honestly wouldn't bother with Fuelux.
Okay.
Like the Race Dynamics would tell you that
Yeah.
you should, but honestly, power tonic can adjust. So probably
Yeah.
don't need it.
Okay.
How long have you had yours for?
I bought this on 20th February 2024. Like almost 2 years. Yeah.
It's nice to see someone who's not that worried about the warranty.
Yeah. I don't know. Like I did everything that I wanted to. I
Yeah.
still have some more plans. It's exciting. I was actually really low on fuel, and I have to travel around 15 kilometers right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm only refueling because I'm going to start a ride to Kanyakumari tomorrow morning.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, so I hope to reach Udupi
Yeah.
tomorrow. So
I've actually been to Kanyakumari as well on this bike.
Okay.
I did a 3,800 kilometer solo ride in March month this year.
Okay. So
Yeah.
how was it?
It was amazing. The bike,
On this bike as well?
yeah,
I mean, see, I don't see the fuss here, but anybody I talk to, they are like, are you sure you'll be able to do it on the bike? I'm like, I find it comfortable.
Yeah.
What's the problem there?
yeah, you can do it. I actually did like 520 kilometer single stretch in a day on this bike. It was fine.
Yeah, 500 I have also done, like in the north from Delhi to Ajmer and little further. And
Yeah,
that's something doable.
yeah,
Not the greatest thing in the world, but not as hard as people make it out to be.
yeah. If you have the will to do it, you can do it. Yep. Need to get my bike washed as well. So much dust.
I've been getting that feeling for the past few days, but there is no point.
Yeah. Like I just parked it in that parking area for a few hours and it's already so dirty.
So much for the fact that they have that cleanest bike contest
Yeah.
tomorrow.
It sounds like too much work. Cleanest bike.
Yeah, they should have done it on the first day itself, when
Yeah.
people actually get the bike in a presentable state.
Exactly. Power petrol full. Online. Like,
Sir, okay, I didn't get your name.
Aryan Katarkar.
Aryan, where are you from?
I'm from Maharashtra, Kolhapur.
Okay, I will be coming through first.
Okay. What's your name?
I am Vinny. Cool. Okay, yaar, see you around.
Yep. Ride safe and good luck.
You too, all the
Yep.
best.
See ya. Yep. Good night.
Since I fell in love, but after last time, don't wanna mess things up. You're so beautiful, and I can't deny. My heart is always with you. My head's always stuck in time. Love, let me go, 'cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong. Now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories I can't escape. Can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain.
Of day 2. It was a really fun day. Met some awesome people. Got this thing as well. I actually have no idea how to wear this properly, but I'm still trying. Okay, I'll wear this when I head back. I should probably wear this during night, but it looks good, and I don't know why I didn't buy this sooner. So I'm just gonna edit another vlog for now and head to sleep. I don't really feel like eating anything right now. It is 11 p.m. and I'm kind of full. I ate some beef kebabs earlier, and yeah man, I think that's about it for this vlog. Tomorrow is the last day of Motoverse, day 3, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be attending day 3 as well. I was kind of confused whether I should attend day 3 or not, but I've decided it now that I am gonna be attending day 3. So yeah man, I'll see you all in the next vlog. See ya.